Hello everyone, this is Vivek Gupta. Currently, I am a student of Kaziranga University, Jorhat, Assam, and I am pursuing my graduation in BSc IT. And currently, I am in 6th semester. During this semester, we have a project where we have selected a topic vehicle speed alert using IoT. Vehicle speed alert using IoT is submitted by Anupam Sen and Vivek Gupta under the guidance of Manoj Kumar Muchahari. So let's start with the project explanation. First, I would like to give an introduction about the project. Vehicle speed alert system is to prevent road accident and to control breaking of traffic rules through the implementation of this system on every motor and electric vehicles. So basically you all might have understand from this introduction itself that what it basically does, basically what is the motive of this project. As all of us knows that most of the accident nowadays happens due to the overspeeding of the vehicle or breaking the traffic rules of a particular road where the speed limit has been set to a particular limit. As you can see on the screen, this is a speedometer and GPS tracker. Basically, it is connected with the car and directly connected with the battery. It runs with the battery. So it is also comes with a screen where I'll be showing you the screen later on. Just for now, just understand what this GPS tracker and speedometer does. Basically, it detects the speed of the vehicle and also the current location of the vehicle. There is no other equipment needed to be fitted in the vehicle other than this and the screen. So basically, I'll just explain about the functioning program. Here you can see the architecture, system architecture, where I'll just zoom in. You can see here user. Basically, this GPS tracker is directly connected with the server where the user has his own database. Every GPS tracker is recorded with the user. So if anyone breaks the traffic rule or any car has met with an accident, then it can be contacted with the user's family or anyone. So here you can see basically GPS tracker, when the cars start and just run on the road, it compares the speed. After comparing the speed, it used to compare like is it in the normal speed or the speed limit has been crossed. Just suppose the particular road has its own speed limit. Suppose a particular road has 50 km per hour speed limit and the vehicle crosses the 50 km per hour speed limit, then it will suddenly create an alert to the driver to slow down the vehicle. Okay, if the driver doesn't listen the alarm or doesn't respond to the alarm, so it will just create a second alert which will directly go to the family of the user, and second it will go to the traffic inspector. That means that particular person is breaking the traffic rule. Or suppose in case after comparing speed, it directly shows an accident of a vehicle. It has also an accident alert where if accident happens, then it will directly send a message and then beep alarm to the traffic inspector, also to the family. Like you can see, if an accident happens, it will directly go to the hospital first. The ambulance, it will inform to the hospital and the ambulance will see the location of the particular vehicle accident. After that, it will also go to the family and also the traffic inspector. Okay, after that the particular action will be taken. Basically, this is the system architecture of our project vehicle speed alert. Now I'll explain the further information that how the vehicle speed alert will be working and how it will seems. So you can see here, these are some examples where the road speed limit has been set by the Google Maps. Okay, so we are importing here the Google Maps. Why? Because it is one of the best accuracy map. So the thing is, every road has its own speed limit. Basically, a national highway, a city road, a traffic road. Okay, and it merely changes by the Google Map that if there is a traffic, then the speed limit should decrease. If the traffic is not there, if the road is empty, then the speed limit will be increased by the Google Map itself. So on the screen itself, the user can see that, yeah, what is the speed limit right now I'm getting, and what the speed limit I should not cross right now. Okay, so see, this will be a particular screen which will be fitted on a vehicle, even on the motor vehicle, electric vehicle, or the scooter, anything. Okay, so this is a very example where this screen will be fitted. You can see the speed limit has been set as the 50 km per hour, and the user is now at 0 km per hour. Okay, when the user crosses the speed 52, so the first alarm will be ring. First alert will be sent to the user to slow down the vehicle. After 52, if the user continues to the same speed for just suppose 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then it will go for the second alert. So as I showed you already in the system architecture, this is the first alert, this is the first alert to slow down, and this is the second alert where it will directly go to the family and the traffic inspector. So as the user was in 0 km per hour, then it was showing green. After the speed limit crossed, it was showing red, and also the alarm has been beeped. Basically, the motive of our project vehicle speed alert system is to prevent road accident and also to prevent the breaking of traffic rules. So the driver should not meet with any accident in the future times and should drive the vehicle in a very safety way. Okay, we also have done a lot of upgradation in this project, but due to the unavoidable circumstances, we are not able to showcase our project upgradation project here. So we really apologize for this, and make sure that in the further times we will be uploading our upgradation video of our project and with a full prototype model. So this project has been done with the help of my project partner Anupam Sen and under the guidance of Dr. Manoj Kumar Muchahari. And we really thank to the faculty members of Kaziranga University, Jorhat, Assam, who have helped us in a very lot way to complete this project.